Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's channel, we're going to talk about IMEI tracker or the IMEI tracker right here. So for this one, the first thing you want to do is you want to download both the iOS and you want to use your computer as well if you want to track your phone. For your phone, what you're going to do is here, you can find instructions online, but what you want to do on your phone is open the mobile phone application, the one you use to call, and then type in asterisk number sign 06 number sign. This will give you or the mobile will have opened a window with the IMEI number. So you just write that number down. And if you have another SIM, then you need to write down two numbers as well. Now, afterwards, that will then be your code. It will look something like this right here. After typing asterisk number 06 number, this is gonna be your IMEI code. So if you have two SIM cards, definitely use or write down both. And then afterwards, if example you need to track your phone down, then definitely go to your computer or go to another phone and use the application imei-tracker.com/track/. And then just enter the code here, the country, whatever country you are currently in, put it here as well, and then just click on track. Once you do that, the tracker will automatically work and it will help you find your phone. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guide.